Gusto mo silip po?
Ay, kasi na ito.
Now, let's get back. Hold this, cameraman. This is another pan. Wow! Hi! I invite them. Now, let's go.
Sino nga?
This is what they call verse of the day.
Yeah, pakis!
Yeah. Verse of the day is Genesis 3:19. Be humble and never think you are better than anyone else.
May crush ka sa Madalina?
Wala.
Ito meron eh.
Ano?
Ito may kasi sa Madalina.
And here's
Bakit ba ito?
here's Kamayo and at lahat kami. Okay. So, I got another pan. I just bought it. That's two in the wire. Here it is. Hey, cameraman. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not even nakasaksak. And here's the another one. Let's see if this working too. Here's to your pay. Your money.